I'd be cheating you if I told you I just made a video, and this is true, about the Travers Stakes. Travers means to go across. T and R is part of the woe, which is the woman, and the woman is the womb. So whether we see it this way, okay, 2 and 1, B and D. B goes across because a bra is 2 and it's across. And D is 1. 1, 2. So we know B is this way. B can't be this way. We see it standing up because we write it that way. But go look at the other languages. They're all like this. They're writing. There is no standing up. Even when you're bending down, looking at it crooked, nothing is straight face to face, is it? Unless like this, look on the blackboard. Okay, that's the way we were brought up, right? So what's the case with the Travers Stakes? Travers means to go across. Travers also means the worm in the tequila, to go across where the cork goes in, to make sure the cork is in so no one gets out, to make sure the cork is in because maybe the upside down of the bottle is the actual ocean. But if it was the chalice and we had the travers to go across, there is green, it's also the cup or the glass. The glass can also be ice, keen ice, ice, cup, glass, skate. They just had a horse race. American Pharoah, keen ice was in the race, and I'm telling my friends, oh my God, it's going to be that frosted guy, because I meant the ice. To travers means to go across, and you need ice to cross the lake. Of course Jesus walked on water. It was frozen like crap. It was cold like anything out there. It was cold. Who said it wasn't? Anybody know the temperature 2,000 years ago? I want to know in the Bible. I want to know where the temperatures are in the world. In the Bible, I need to know like what happened. Was there a frost? Can they ever get snow out there? Like maybe the salts and it was so cold it was able. Anyways, whatever. We don't want to talk about this. Anyways, you know what just happened? The Travers Stake goes off, and it's American Pharoah instead of down by traveling down by where you have to go down the Gaza Strip, or maybe have to go into the Suez Canal, right? You need to have some kind of ice. So the horse keen ice in the Travers Stake, meaning to go across, froze over. What happens if something freezes? How do we defrost it? And is it the moon? What is the half of the egg that we see? Half of the egg is in the cup. The other half of the egg is out of the cup. You support the egg when you eat the poached egg inside the cup. Wouldn't it be like that? And it would create the H and the I. You see, the H is two parts. It's the lower part and the upper part. And here's the lower part. Here's the upper part. It's the division between the two that you connect together creates the I. But they ain't got nothing to do with anything other than the water that passes between. You see this over here, G? See this letter G? You see this letter G, or you want to look at it as this letter here. This is the G or the E. So you have all your letters, G, E, I, and then you have area here, and then you have area here. And then we have continuous. We have back to back. We tie them together, tie 10 up. I'm not sure which way we're going to go with that. Breaking a streak. We don't want to break streaks. Makes us go down. So I try to do a video every single day at one point, as many as I could, but I don't want to have a streak. I want to have the moment. When the moment has to be, it has to be. And it can't just end and start. I don't want to work like a crazy nut for 6 hours and then never think of this again, because it doesn't work that way. This is like turning on the light and then waiting 6 hours before the light actually gets on, for the energy from here, the flick of the switch, to bring it over here. Instead of that, imagine if every time you turned off the power, they had to shut the switch down at hydro 10,000 miles away. No, they bring it right to the pole outside, right to your building, into a box. And the power's like going, don't you hear it? Power's always like, so you turn on your power and it starts to go. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Yes, the Travers Stake to go across happened today in horse racing, and American Pharoah came second. That's great. American Pharoah came second. Keen Ice won the race. I'm not quite sure who was third. Maybe I can go take a check now. Finish off this video with all the information. Keen Ice, American Pharoah, Frosted, and the fourth place horse, Upstart. Isn't that what I said? Isn't that what I said? I didn't show. Did I show you this in the video? That Upstart was number 15. American Pharoah was 1 to 5. He did not win. Okay, the difference between 15 and 1 to 5, the reverse number 1551 is 77 Christ and 74 Jesus. Or how about 47 times 43? 1551, and 47 by 47, 2209, and 1551 is 3760. 3 AD. Jesus, mon Dieu, he was here yesterday. Oh my God, couldn't believe that. You know, every time I say, oh my God, Jesus, yeah, he was here yesterday. God, Jesus, and you. Today, tomorrow, yesterday. 1551. 2 came second, 1 came fourth. 7 won the race. 6 was third. Spirit of 76 split up with the Alpha Beta. 1, 2, 6, 7. 7 and 2 is 9. 6 and 1 is 7. 7, 9, 9, 7. 16 is the light. 1 and 7 is 8. 6 and 2 is 8. 17, 26. DC 43. Just did a video about it. That is it. The Travers stake. 1.25 million. 512 memory. The amount totals bet. 1899,737 on American Pharoah to win. 18 is, we just did a video on that too. Look at that. 1.899. I know you can't see. And Keen Ice had 153,899. You see, they both had 899. This says Ace. This says the cat. 9 lives of the cat. Frozen in the ice. Got a break on free. The cycle is 82. American Pharoah had 488. 55, 88, 2. See this? East, west, north, south from the center. Doesn't have anything to do with 369. Nothing at all. Here is H and I. Here's the two sides of the cube. 1899, 737, and 487,000 to show, which is the gateway. You see this? This is 1010. See when it shows 88? Well, 88 is 1010, or 99 is 1010, but in two different explanations. Why? Because when you go to the grocery store, 8 equals a dime. This one's 87 over here. See this one over here, 87, the number? I know it's hard to see. Hold on a second. Make me see that over here. I wish you can see it better. 487 is the gateway. And then you see the divided, 222, 8 times 222, two sides of 333. What am I going to do with these? I'm not sure. Maybe one is showing diagonal. I don't know. I don't know. I have to think of it. I put it in my head, and one day it'll come out. Keen Ice was 16 to 1. Bring in the lights. What did it pay off? The payoff was 3410. AC/DC comes in with Keen Ice, 640 Zion Israel, but it's in the 0 part of the moon. This 0, this oval 0 picks up 2 numbers, top and bottom, top and number. Picks up 2, otherwise it would be round. It would be the center of 1. Anything round is the center of 1. Okay? Then it paid 380 to show, which is the church. American Pharoah is the cube. And Frosted came in, played 310, 7 times 3, 7 plus 3. And this is the part about Nibiru. So the answer to this one is 72-26. Flintshire, Red Rifle, won the next race. And we are going to show one more thing, is how much money was bet in this race. There was 3 million, 4 million, 5 million. 3 million bet in trifecta, which is $3 million devoted to 3 horses. There was 2 million divided to 4 horses because everybody went in as 2 and 2. 4 is less than 3 because it's 2 and 2. They're not showing the group. We already know the group. Then we have 300,000 in the pick 3. The exacta shows 3 million. Well, where's the money? The exacta shows 3 million. Anyways, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $13 million bet in the race. Track takes about 25% out of all that on average. So they make about 3 million on that race. I don't know who gives away the $1 million, but whatever it is, advertising, blah, blah, blah. Are the horses doing okay? If the horses are doing great all over the world, then fantastic. Whoever gets the money, doesn't matter. We have to know about the health and welfare of the animal. We don't need money to survive. We only need to know the understanding and the respect of the difference of all. Raphael 7286, and a constellation of Pegasus. I am Ancient One, thanking, there, and I screwed up, right? Thanking my friends at what's the name of that? What's the name of that? I can't believe I forgot the name of that. Wow. Extra normal. How can I say that when they say that to me? Thank you for watching. Good day.